Mystery sound, mystery sound. What, oh, what is that mystery sound? Mystery sound, mystery sound. Are you ready to hear? Time for another mystery sound. And for this one, I'm going to play a couple of different instruments that all look kind of the same. But I want you to see if you can hear the difference in the sounds. There's the first one. Here's the next one. Here's the next one. Here's the last one. Are you ready to see what these instruments are? Let me reveal them to you. Can't see them right now because I've moved them. Whoops! And the first one just fell to the ground. These are my wooden frogs. And I have a whole family of frogs. This one's the big frog. He makes the lowest sound because he's the biggest instrument. And to play him, you take the wooden stick and you rub his back ridges. It's easier, it makes a louder sound if you go from the back to the front. And the reason that that happens is that the sound waves start back here and then move towards his mouth where the sound comes out. So that's the big frog. Now in my house, the big frog is joined by some others. I have two little bitty frogs. They look just the same as the big frog, except they're little bitty, and you play them the exact same way. It's hard to hold on to two frogs at the same time, so let me do that one at a time. To hold them, you want to put them in your hand and not hold on to the sides as much as you can. I have to hold on a little bit because it's hard to control them. So I have two little bitty frogs. I have one that's a little bit bigger than the baby frogs. Again, you play it the same exact way. I like how you can see their eyes and their little frog fins and their little frog flippers. And then the last one that I have is a little bit bigger than the one we have here. And again, it's hard to hold on to him. Now if you compare this frog with the one that's great big, you can see the difference in their size. Check that out. There's one, there's the other. I can't show you all of them at the same time because I don't have enough hands. But here's what the big frog looks like next to the mini frog. Mini frog, big frog. You can definitely tell the difference between my frog weirdos. Thanks for looking at this mystery sound. Keep tuned in because eventually I'm going to have a Can You Guess All of These Mystery Sounds video. It's not going to happen today though. It's going to happen pretty soon. So be listening to the different sounds and see if you can figure out what instrument they are before I reveal it to you on the video. Thanks for watching. See you later.